Hey, boys and girls. We are going to be looking at some blends together. If you look at your screen, you'll see the blends that you've started working on. And they are the BR, like broccoli, and PR, like princess, and CR, like crown, GR, for grass, and FR, for friend. We're going to look at two more blends today that have the R in them, but these are the more challenging ones because they kind of sound like other sounds. And the blends we're going to look at today are the TR and the DR. The TR and the DR. Okay, so let's take a look. What do we have here? What do you see? Of course, a tree. Well, when lots of kids are writing and they want to write the word tree, this is what they do. They go tree, okay? Well, it doesn't start with the CH. That's the problem. There's no ch in the word tree. Instead, it's just e. So it would be tree. So you should hear the T and the R, tra. You hear that? A little bit harder because it does kind of sound like the CH. Well, let's take a look at the next tricky one. What is this? It's a dress. You're right, dress. And when kids write the word dress, this is how they usually sound it out. J-R-S, dress, dress. But unfortunately, there is no J in dress. It's actually goes like this. It goes D-R-S, dress, So you're going to hear a D-R, Hear the difference between dress and dress? Okay, so that's what we're going to need to practice today. So let's take a look at one way we can do this. If you look at this word here, read it with me. Wrap. Okay, we know wrap, that's not hard. But if we put a T in front of it, we're still going to hear wrap. We're just going to have the T first, and it becomes trap. You hear that T in there? So sometimes, as a strategy, we can kind of take the T off, say it without the T, and then add the T back in, trap. We can do the same thing with the DR. Let's look at this word. Let's read it. Raft, a raft, something we float on in the water. Raft. Well, if we put a D in front of it, we're still going to hear raft, but we're going to hear the D first. Raft, draft. You hear that? Draft. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a couple little videos and to help us practice these sounds. Okay. The first one's real short. Plus R equals dra. Drum, is in trumpet, trumpet, is in princess, princess. TR, triangle, triangle. Can you say that with me? Triangle. That's right, we're going to practice saying the TR sound, Okay, so there's the word tree. The triangle is in the tree. Tree. Can you say that? Tree. Can you say the triangle is in the tree? The triangle is in the tree. Ooh, what do we have here that begins with a TR? Tractor. That's right, tractor. Now the triangle is on the tractor. Can you say that? The triangle is on the tractor. Ooh, this is an elephant. What does the elephant have that starts with a TR, a tr? That's right, he has a trunk. And let's see, what is the triangle doing? He is sliding down the elephant's trunk. 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 You say that? Trunk. Very good. He's having fun, huh? Ooh, you know what this is, a train. Now remember, it's not a train with a ch, it's a train. Train. Can you say that? Train. There we go. Train. Oh, and there's also another word, tracks, right here. You can't see the whole thing, but tracks. The train and tracks. Ooh, we know what that is, a trumpet. Trumpet. The triangle is playing the trumpet. Do you know what this instrument is called? It starts with a TR also. It's a trombone. 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 So you've got your triangles playing the trumpet and the trombone. Trombone. Oh, triangle is eating lots of yummy things. And those are his treats. Ooh, we can even chunk that word. Look, TR says EAT says eat. Eat makes treat. Boys and girls, I have one more video for you to watch and practice to make the DR sound, dr. So go ahead and follow along, okay?
The sound of the letters D, R. 1. Read with me. D, dr. Dr, dr, dr. Well done. Now follow me. Dragon. Very good. Let's read together. Dragon.
All right, ready?
Chant with me. There's a dragon. There's a drum. There's a dragon in a drum. I say trees. There's a dreadful dragon in my dreams. There's a dragon. There's a drum. There's a dragon in a drum.
All right, your turn.
There's a dragon. There's a drum. There's
A dragon in a drum.
I say dreams. There's a dreadful dragon in my dreams.
All right.
I say
Dream. There's a dreadful dragon in my dream. Did you get that?
good. Let's chant together. There's a dragon. There's a drum. There's a dragon in a drum. I say dreams. There's a dreadful dragon in my dreams.
Great job. Great job, boys and girls. So now you have a seesaw activity to do with the dr and the tr sounds. Have a good day.